Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a CAIM BPT video intercom system and you need to do a soft or a force reset on it or a restart. So this will not delete any of the data or configurations that you have on it, but if it is frozen or not responding, or if it is otherwise glitching and not connecting, this force power cycle will clear out a lot of those issues, and it's quite easy to do. All you need to do is you're going to need like a paper clip or a pin or something. Just make sure it's not too sharp that it could damage the device. And then all we need to do is find the little reset button on this device. And it's quite easy to find. What you're going to do is you're going to see this key button here. We're going to, straight from the key button, we're going to come over to the side of the device. And if we look right here, there will be a small notched button right on the side of the device where we can push our paper clip in and hold it for 1 or 2 seconds, and that will force the device to power cycle and restart. Thanks a lot for watching.